Hi, well, and good morning. Welcome to Chloraka. So we've decided to come to Chloraka Village this morning, just outside Paphos, and went for a little walk round. So if you'd like to join us, that'd be great. Well, let's have a look at Chloraka. So we're actually parked at the public car park just up the road there, and we've got the local cafe bar. It's quite a traditional village atmosphere. Again, a few of these little tavernas. This road is one way, so if you come into Chloraka, keep your eye open for the no entry signs and one way. So a little square. Yeah, we've got a little taverna at the top, and normally this would be open, of course, to the church. But they're having some kind of renovations done on the church. Again, nice local prices. $5.99 for a lunch. Can't complain at that. May or may not be working, you can never tell with these things. Suddenly they're set off at certain times of the day. Can't read Greek, but I would guess that this is a memorial to the people who lost their lives in the Turkish invasion of Cyprus. Of course, still a sore point in Cyprus that the island is still divided, occupied by the Turks. The other is the freedom fighters kicking the British out, or as far as they could. Because Cyprus is still part of the British Commonwealth. Statue of somebody behind the barriers there. Got a nice little square, and again, the old, what I would guess would be the original church. Again, Greek Orthodox. Council buildings, Chloraka, and the clock is right, it is 11 o'clock, and it is the 19th of the 9th today. Again, done nicely. Church is open. Again, one evening, I imagine these places come to life. Selection of little bars, tavernas, cafes, restaurants. Chloraka, a very popular place for the expats. Another village that a lot of expats live in. Kind of a random CNC shop cutting, so an example of their cutting wares. Wood cutting on CNC machines. Social care, children's club. shops undergoing a bit of renovation, modernisation. The old lads are there playing games. And if we again, if we look here, we can see the sea views. Say why Chloraka is popular. Kind of runs all the way down to the coast, to the sea there. The local news agents. And on the other side of the road, another cafe bar, taverna, kiosk. Another taverna, another taverna. Betting shop. And again, sea views. So it would be rather a walk down to the sea, and certainly an uphill struggle walking back up. So here in the market for a villa. One for sale there. No, I don't know how much it is. Crutches and all sorts for sale in there. Old photography equipment and tripods. Interesting. And next door to the shop. So, our little walk around Chloraka. Motorbikes there. Somebody who's got a lot of motorbikes. That is a one-way road, so I don't know what it means. Church in the background. So, nice little village. Somebody's got a horn, that's good. got a horn and they're not afraid to use it, as is no one in Cyprus. And back round to the church. So it's 19th of September 2022. It's nearly 11:30. Temperature is 34 degrees. This is Chloraka. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed this little video, please give us a thumbs up. I'd say thank you very much to all our subscribers, and if you'd care to subscribe, that'd be wonderful. It does help, it doesn't cost you anything. And it encourages us to get out and make more of these little videos for you. Oh, contacted, eh? Right, well, thank you very much, and we'll say goodbye for now. So it's goodbye from Julie and I.
Bye.
Bye. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.